Vlogtober is fun. Day 12 has begun, so follow us on the adventures we run. Good morning, friends. You okay, Demash? It's like 10 something, 10:30 maybe. I have a day off today. Oh, it's 11. I have a day off today. Me and Marsh are going to take a road trip. And by road trip, I mean it's like an hour drive. We are going to head to my friend's house in about an hour away, as I said. And I'm going to hang out with her and her kiddos. Haven't seen her for a long time, so it's going to be really fun. And they have a nice garden, so Marsh can have a run around. Hopefully it's not too wet. I'm going to have to bring him a towel because it's currently soggy outside. Your ears are holding up, huh? He's so tired. We've not been out yet. He's not even been to pee. I need to finish making my coffee, but this guy's sitting on my lap and now I can't move. Why are you sleeping? It's 11 a.m, mate. So it's just 12 o'clock and we're going for a very quick walk before we make our little way to my friend's house. So here we go. Soggy ground, but it's all fine. Having a good time already. Helicopter spins today. You only do single spins. Last time you used to do double spins. Shh. Shh. You're so loud, boy. Okay, let's go inside.
Wow, I want it. See, Mum, I want it.
Marsh gets a duck fillet a day, but this is the biggest one I've ever seen.
Wow.
Heading to the park. So we're currently at the park. The little one wants to go to the playground. There's a little play park over there. But we've only got 5 minutes till we have to collect his sister. So Mum's like, let's go get your sister and we'll come back to the park afterwards. And he just started running off and then she was running after him and then he was running even faster. It was hilarious. Are you waiting for Jensen? Yeah?
Go. Make sure the shell doesn't go in. That's it. All come out. Well done. Don't worry. Thumbs and the other thumb. That's it. You got it. Pull both thumbs in. There we go. Pull it open.
Yeah, good job.
No shell. So put the shell here. Yeah, well done. Okay, any shell in there? Now we're good.
Oh.
Done. Another one.
We're making brownies. One more, bit harder. Oh, there you go.
Both thumbs.
Oh.
Whole hand. That's it.
And
Take
a
the
big
shell
shell
out.
out.
That confused me then. I was like, what is that sound? I forgot about Marshy. In the corner.
I might need a little bit more microwave. Alright, the brownies are going in now. I don't know why I did that. Just playing in the garden a little bit. Got your ball. Bring your ball back. Got a nice little apple tree here. Well, it's quite a big one actually. They just had a birthday party. So got all the ribbons up. He's got zoomies! Are you running around after him? That wasn't very far. Can you throw it further? Oh dear. Come on then! Are you tired now? He looks tired, he's lying down. Look at this weird apple, it's like morphed. like a Siamese twin. Oh my goodness. Bit dirty. So dirty. Bit mucky. Okay. So we shouldn't give him any of this stuff.
What can I
Marshy eats dog food. Ooh, fudgy gooey brownie. Oh, the corner. Did you try the corner? I just drove back. Marshy's here. Whee! I didn't show you the brownies because it was cut up and we ate it and it was really good and it was fudgy and yummy. But yeah, it was a really fun day and now we're home. We got some more wormies going on. Say good night, boy. Move on. Good night.